What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to cancel your British Airways flight, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how to cancel a flight. So the first place to go if you want to cancel it is the Manage My Bookings option on British Airways website. You'll need to provide the lead passenger name and your booking reference, which you should find on your confirmation email or e-ticket. Here you'll see the option available for your amending or cancelling your booking and whether any fees will apply. You can also call up British Airways customer service to discuss cancelling or amending a flight. So basically you need to have your booking reference ready and call the available number in your region. So basically guys, they understand that there will be times when you need to amend or cancel your flights. You need to get in touch as soon as possible, as cancellation and amendment penalties can increase the closer you get to the departure. You can basically easily contact them through contact support. So overall guys, quite an easy process. I mean, it's not as easy as it can be, but basically you just need to contact them and basically keep in mind that you need to do it as soon as possible, because the closer to the flight itself, the bigger the fees will get. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.